I'm in the middle of doing 75 hard, and I want to share some lessons with you as I'm on my second workout of the day and my walk. If you guys don't know what 75 hard is, it's by Andy Frisella, which is 1st Phorm and owns tons of different companies. But the premise of it, or the outline of the whole program, is workout twice a day, one inside, one outside, both 45-minute workouts. Drink a gallon of water, progress picture, no alcohol, no cheat meals, and what else? And 10 pages of reading of a non-fiction book. So a couple things I've actually taken from it is I'm a little less than 2 weeks down. Is honestly, it's fairly simple. What's challenging is if I'm not at home. That's kind of the challenging part, is having to do this program like on the go, which I've already had to go out once, or for one weekend. Might be going to a few other ones during the 75 days, but it's doing it 75 days straight with non-negotiables and those things. And so my diet's not crazy. It's just being able to get 180 to 250 grams of protein every day, and yeah, eating fairly clean. And so as long as I can hit that, that's my goal. So because that aligns with what I've been trying to do fitness wise in terms of getting main gaining this year. So it's not bulk or cut, just pretty much being able to pretty much lose fat and gain muscle. And I've learned that it's not a simple and slow process, or a fast process, but it's a pretty slow process. Anyways, wanted to make this video for you guys because you might be in your business right now trying to figure out, okay, how do I actually improve my situation in the fastest time possible? But the thing that I've learned while doing the 75 hard program is that success comes from doing the correct things and doing the things that you need to do over a long period of time. And the way that you build momentum is just by doing stuff every single day. I feel like it's caused the only way that I'm able to accomplish all this stuff is by front loading my day and being able to have the intentionality every single day of exactly what I am going to do. So I know exactly, I wake up because I don't, and I don't want to not hit my morning workout because I don't want to do 2 workouts at night or throughout the day, just because I want to have a life as well. So I'm trying to fit this into my actual schedule. As an entrepreneur, it's definitely tough, but it gets easier as you do it more and more. So thought process, okay, I'm gonna work out right away. And then also like front loading the water, because if you don't drink all the water right away, I remember drinking half a gallon of water just so I could complete it before my bed, like before I went to bed. And that was rough. That was annoying, to say the least. However, what I will say is that in that time, I just remember it was like having to wake up multiple times because I had to pee in the middle of the day. So anyways, it just takes intentionality of doing these things. But overall, I've already developed a sharpened mind in terms of the mental toughness and putting my energy towards things that it just takes consistency. As I do and do things consistently more and more and more, it builds confidence, builds momentum. I can actually speak to things confidently because I know that, I've done the work. There's a saying, I forgot the movie, Alex Ramosi talks a lot about it, but he says, I stand confident and unafraid, because not because the path that lies before me, but the path that lies behind me. And I think if you're trying to be a successful life insurance agent, if you're trying to actually succeed and win at a really high level as a life insurance agent, you got to be having the intentionality of having structure in your day, on creating a systemized process to get the same result over and over and over again without the emotions involved, but also being able to put in the reps every single day, multiple times. And so what I would do if I was just starting out as a new insurance agent, knowing what I know now, is I would have a long 100-day run of doing the same things every day, as much as I could. And it's not forever, it's just a season that you sacrifice, and it's a season to grow, and it's a season to get structure and hammer in the things that you know you need to do every single day, and to be able to build momentum. And so I took this habit into the gym when I first started working out, but I wanted to get back into the gym because I lost the habit and I wasn't doing it every day. And so what I did is I went to the gym 50 days straight. Yeah, maybe it wasn't the best in terms of recovery, but it was good because I was able to solidify showing up. I was able to solidify every single day. I'm gonna wake up at my alarm, I'm gonna drink my pre-workout, I'm gonna go to the gym, and you just have to make it fun. You have to gamify it. One thing that I've learned and realized about the people who work out is that there's lingo that you kind of learn. There's kind of understandings. Hey, what's your split? Being able to find other people that enjoy working out as well. Being able to also like ordering the protein shakes and going to the Nutri Shop and going to these different things, having fun, being able to get pre-workout. Okay, yeah, the pre-workout and the protein and the supplements don't matter more than like working out and eating healthy. But these types of supplements are exciting because it also helps build momentum. You have to take action with it. So yeah, like you can get a course, a coaching program, my coaching program, you can get all these things and get excited about it, but it's not going to transform and change your life if you don't really put in the work as well. Because I could drink pre-workout, I could eat my protein every day, or I could eat my protein and drink my pre-workout and drink the supplements. But if I'm not working out and doing resistance training, and if I'm not actually putting in the work in that regard and working out, it's not going to change my situation tremendously. The thing that is going to change my situation alone, that will probably get my body way in better shape, is just doing the work. And so it's the same thing as an agent. You just have to do the work consistently, master showing up, master your schedule, master your intentionality before the day even starts. So what's your nighttime routine? To be able to wake up at the time that you say you're going to, so you're not like crazy sleepy, that you can have an effective day, work out really well, and then what do you do after the gym? What's the exact process for you to actually start working? And so these are it seems like little things, but besides the dialing, besides more presenting, besides more lead flow, these are things that have really helped me become a successful agent, is mastering these little things that seem so like they don't matter, seemingly like that, being able to have all these things that add up into my favor. And so if you master the nighttime and being able to finish your work and then have a routine after, or just like hang out, have fun, enjoy life, like for me, hang out with my wife, and then boom, usually in bed by like 8:30 and 9 o'clock, and then boom, wake up the next day super excited, ready, clothes are on the floor already, and I have my whole routine to get to the gym. And then from the gym, when I get home, I'm reading my 10 pages, having my quiet time with God, praying, meditating, and then starting my day, going to the office, typically making a YouTube video, and then starting my actual day. And so if you get all these little things right and have the intentionality and the forethought of exactly what you're going to do and how you're going to do it, and not just saying, hey, I'm going to do this, but like, okay, when am I going to do it? What time am I going to do it? When am I going to be done? What kind of clothes am I going to be wearing, right? For me, it's like, okay, I'm going to go to the gym. Okay, when? What am I going to do there? How long am I going to be there? what am I going to do beforehand? Those are different things that you can think through. So it's this, I've taken the gym analogy and my fitness progress so that you guys can correlate that with your goals to be a successful life insurance agent. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, share this with a friend if you found it valuable. If you guys have any questions, drop in the comments down below. If you guys want to really get to that next level, keep watching these videos. If you haven't already, check out my podcast. It's a different thumbnail than these ones right here. It's not the blue one, it's like the gray one. So definitely check out a podcast if you haven't already. And drop in the comments what kind of videos you kind of like. If you like this one, let me know. If you also want to join in doing 75 hard with me, drop in the comments down below. I'll reach out to you and let's get rocking and rolling. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.